everyone, and welcome to EMK's Coin of the Month. Now today I should actually say coins because we are doing two. It's a very special occasion, of course, the Euro 2020 Championship. Let's get into it. We'll start with silver first. So this is of course for the UEFA European Soccer Championship, as I just said before, and here we have the silver proof coin. Now this is actually part of the collector's coin program, and it's produced by the Royal Spanish Mint, which is very, very nice. You can obviously see there the UEFA logo is there. They've got their support behind this coin as well. Very nice to see. Ooh, turn that back up again. So the cover just slides off just like that. And now let's get into the coin itself. The traditional box from the Royal Spanish Mint. And here we go. There it is. Oh, so shiny. So shiny. So this is a 27-gram silver coin. It is €10, as you can see. It's got the UEFA trademark there, and then the small logo for the Royal Spanish Mint. And you can see there's two players going after that football or soccer ball, depending on where you're coming from. I don't think they're representative of anyone else. It's just an overall view of two players. And then you've got the stadium in the background there. Turn it over. And on the obverse of the coin, you can see there, Spanish King Felipe VI, and of course 2020. So although it's 2021, we are still hosting the UEFA Euro 2020 Cup, and already had some amazing moments so far throughout the championship. Enclosed in the box is of course the certificate of authenticity. Got all the same details that I've mentioned before there. €10, UEFA Euro 2020. And then some smaller details there from the Royal Spanish Mint. Very nice. So that is of course our first coin as part of the collector's coin program. There are some other coins out there produced by other mints, but today we're going with Spain. Next up, we'll move on to the gold. So similar packaging, of course, to the silver. Same kind of images there, which runs through, of course, the rest of the Euro 2020. Slides off again, just like before, and of course, you've got your logo of the Royal Spanish Mint, and of course UEFA there supporting it. Very nice. It is an official licensed product, and again traditional Royal Spanish Mint box. And let's take a look at this beauty. There we go. 6.75 gram there. You can see you're looking at €100. Now I like the design of this one, of course. You've got the football or the soccer ball in the background, and you have a stadium there. Can you guess which stadium it is? Ding, 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 ding. I'll tell you. It is the San Mamés Stadium in Bilbao, Spain. Very famous stadium there. And again, you have the UEFA trademark there, the Royal Spanish Mint, and you can see it is UEFA Euro 2020. Oh, that's a little bit of grass. I was out and about filming some TikToks for EMK yesterday, and these coins came along for the ride. So a little bit of grass there. Dear me. Now there we have Felipe VI again, of course, the King of Spain. Very nice, and 2020. Now that is a little beauty. So side by side, those coins. Oh, whoopsie-doo. Just a bit excited there. Very nice. I really like the fact that both of them, the gold and the silver, have different designs to one another. I think that's interesting how they've encapsulated the spirit of the championship on two different coins in two different ways. Really good. So that's all for today. Let me know in the comments what team you're going for, who you're supporting during this Euro 2020 Championship. I hope you enjoyed those coins, and we'll see you next time here on EMK's Coin of the Month. Ciao!